Hello friends, this is Ramkumar. Right now I am in a wonderful place. Hope you will like this place. If you like this wonderful location, please comment in this video. So this video for my wonderful subscribers and some of the people asking me, so no people doing the background verification based on UAN number. So some of the people doesn't have knowledge about background verification. So there might be a chance their background verification may be completed through based on the submitted documents in past. So right now this background verification process is completely changed. Hope you can able to see me because sunlight is disturbing me. So this is what, so many people are thinking about background verification is not doing based on the UAN number. That is wrong. There are some organization, there are multiple organizations right now, they are doing the background verification based on UAN number only. So some of the people saying that so some of the informations are sensitive information. How can they do the validations? While submitting the background verification form, you will submit letter of authorization. In that letter of authorization, you need to read that and sign it and share to your HR. Most of the people not doing that. You need to read the information what is captured in the letter of authorization. Generally, in letter of authorizations, there will be a statement. You can do the background verifications on my educational certificate and my work history, my address verification, my criminal check. I agree. So that is the concept of letter of authorization. Definitely you will agree. So without reading that you are doing that. That is why you does not have knowledge on that. So this video for especially for one of my followers, okay, and many of the people are commenting me, okay, chatting in YouTube. They are without having proper knowledge in background verifications. If you face any background verification related problems, welcome to connect with me. And right now I am in my village. If you like my village, please comment here, okay. And if you are first time watching our channel, please subscribe and share to your friends, okay. We talk about background verification related issues, and if you face any UAN number or background verification related problems, welcome to connect with me. So there are join buttons available. YouTube is enabled to join button. You can join with me. So level 1, level 3 and level 2, and you can choose whatever you want. If you click on level 3, you will be connect with me continuously, okay, lifelong. N number of calls you can have, n number of clarifications you can have if you click on level 3. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your wonderful support. Take care. Bye bye.